In today's video, I'm going to show you how to translate any language on screen. Welcome back everyone to a new card video. Now, if you're doing this or trying to do this for your desktop or your laptop, you can simply download the Google Translate extension onto your device so that the translation is easily available on screen. So what you need to do is simply search for Google Translate extension and make sure that you add it to your Chrome or any other browser that you use. And once the extension has been added and if you're trying to translate any sort of language, you just need to highlight it, right click on it, and right here you'll be able to see the option called Google Translate being displayed. You can simply click on it, and as soon as you do that, you'll be able to see the translation being displayed within this platform. So this is the easiest way on how you do it. But if you're trying to do it for your Android device, you can simply use Google Assistant as well as Google Lens. So all of the text can also be translated easily without having any sort of complex applications. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.